Integration in logical learning.
Let's talk about today's topic, types of learning as stated by Gagné, subject education, class 12. Now, what are the types of education? Educationists and the psychologists have classified the learning in several ways. Here are a few types of classification is given below. Classification of learning according to the type of behavior are cognitive learning, psychomotor or cognitive learning, or affective learning. Now comes the classification of learning according to the methods of learning. They are trial and error learning, classical conditioning learning, operant conditioning learning, insightful learning, cognitive learning, and information processing learning. Now comes the classification of learning according to the educational objectives: verbal learning, skill learning, concept learning, principle learning, rule learning, problem learning, and constructivism. What is the classification of learning according to the hierarchy of learning conditions? You can see that Robert Gagné's hierarchy of learning is given here in this triangle. Gagné's theoretical background. Robert Gagné, the famous American psychologist, a theory of learning and instruction incorporating a behavioristic, eclectic approach to the psychology of learning and teaching. He is especially known for his famous writings, The Conditions of Learning and Instructional Technology Foundations. You can see that there are the conditions of learning. First comes the problem solving, then comes the rule learning, then comes the concept learning, then comes the discrimination learning, then comes the verbal association, then comes the chaining, stimulus, and then the signal learning. Now, what is intellectual skills? It is all about problem solving, discrimination, concepts, and principles. And what is cognitive strategy? The metacognition strategies for problem solving and thinking. And what is verbal information? The facts of knowledge. And what is attitude? The actions that a person chooses to complete. And what are motor skills? The behavioral, physical skills. We all know that he designed a experiment to solve this. Signal learning, a learning of the nature that we are stopped at the red light and start driving our vehicle at the green. Here we learn to make a generalized response to a signal or the stimulus, as it happens with the classical conditioning of Pavlov and Watson. Stimulus response, the SR learning. Learning based on the SR type instrumental conditioning emphasized by the Thorndike. Here a stimulus is properly discriminated for a mechanical, unlike the response. What is chaining? In this type of learning, two or more SR connections are joined together. As you can see, first you need to crack the egg and then put the shell out and then put again into the bowl and then the egg is cracked. So it follows a chain. And what is verbal association? In this type of learning, the learner is meant to emit the chain responses of the SR type by making the verbal associations, as you can see in the picture given in the right hand side. Now comes the multiple discrimination. This is a stage of good discrimination, that is to learn making the different responses to different, even having too much resemblance stimuli, as you can see in the picture from the right hand side. Now what is concept learning? In this type of learning, one learns to provide a common response to the class of a stimuli. Now what is rule learning? Also known as the learning of principles. Principles are generated through the chaining of two or more concepts. Example, if one is thirsty, one needs water to drink. As you can see in the right hand side, a picture is given here. And what is problem solving? In this type of learning, higher mental or cognitive abilities are involved for making the use of the concept and the rules for solving one or the other problem. As you can see, a picture of a girl is given here in the right hand side, and she's thinking about all the solutions that can occur for that particular question. I hope you have understood this chapter of the types of learning. Thank you.